content of this video is related to the Bitmask table widget type. You can see information related to this widget type on this web page. This is the video outline of this video. Let me read it to you. First, opening. Second, objectives. Third, opening theory. Fourth, setting up in Blynk.Console. Fifth, showing the program. Sixth, speaking about the program. Seventh, uploading the program to a board. Eighth, working. Third, opening theory. This widget helps display a table of values as LED indicators. The hardware sends a Bitmask value, which the server parses to update LED states automatically. Each bit represents the on-off status of an LED on the corresponding row. What is a bitmask? A bitmask stores multiple true, false binary values in a single integer. Each bit represents a separate state, e.g., an error, alarm, or status. 1 corresponds to on true. 0 corresponds to off, false. How the server parses the data. When the hardware sends a bitmask as an integer, the server extracts individual bit states to update the table. Example: a device has 11 error states. Actually, in the figure below, the error list has 12 errors, each represented by a bit in a bitmask value. If an error occurs, the corresponding bit is set to 1, turning on the LED in the respective row. This line, received integer, 123. That means the server received a value of 123. In this figure, you can understand that the device executed a send command to send a value to the server. This value is an integer, or in other words, this value is a decimal. From this decimal, the server converts it to binary, 1111011. You can see the map states here. Here, the limits of the widget. Fourth, setting up in Blynk.Console. First, I am creating 4 data streams for 4 switch widgets. Next, I am going to set up a Bitmask table widget. This widget will present the states of the 4 other widgets. Why do I set max to 15 here? If you learn about binary, you will know that a binary number with 4 digits which will represent 16 different values, of course, it includes 0. About this switch, you can read the information here. Hide false values, hide rows with a false, 0 value. But when you try to change its value, nothing happens when you see the widget on the right side. Okay, now I need to add 4 more switch widgets. Fifth, showing the program. Sixth, speaking about the program. First, about the getDecimal from function. This function allows us to pass a binary list with a list size. Here, the binary list is an array to store binary number digits. The list size is the size of the array, or in other words, it is the number of digits of the binary number. The main function of this function is to convert a binary number to a decimal number. Second, the update Bitmask table function. In this function, first, it will take all the values of the 4 state variables. You can see these 4 states are arranged in an array. Next, it converts the binary list to a decimal number. Then it pushes the decimal number to Blynk. The Blynk writes functions. The function of these functions is updating values for the corresponding state variables, and then it updates the Bitmask table. Seventh, uploading the program to a board. Eighth, working.